Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to use Cognito hosted UI properly. So this is the user pool that I have created, and here these are user pool details, and then I can scroll down and select app integration tab. Under app integration tab, I can see my domain name. So what you might assume is that if you copy this domain and paste it and hit, then you will see login or sign in page of Cognito, but that's now how it works. So this is the correct format. So here domain will go here, and then client ID will go here, and redirect URI, everything will go here. So either you can construct this URL by looking details in dashboard, or inside client section only you can scroll down, and uh, under app integration you can scroll down and select the client which you created, and under client you can scroll down to hosted UI, and here we have this view hosted UI button. So if I click on this view hosted UI, it will open in separate tab this Cognito sign in page. So we can see it's the same, it's in same format, domain name, and then client ID, and then other parameters like response type and watch scopes. So yeah, now here you can sign in, sign up, and continue from here. That's it for this video. Thanks.